Honorable Lawmaker, this is my name. I represent the good people of Yagba East, Yagba West, Mapamurofera constituency. I'm from Cote State. The motion on the need to rescue the Nigerian economy from imminent collapse and restore investors' confidence in the system. The House notes that conventional fiscal policies require a minimum of 90 days to manifest, in contrast to the current trend in Nigeria, where immediate enforcement is prevalent, thus necessitating the need for a shift towards a collaborative approach which integrates fiscal and monetary policies with stakeholders' engagement to prevent isolation and guarantee active stakeholders' involvement in consequential decisions. Also note that the Central Bank of Nigeria has raised customs tariffs 6 times, even more now, in the past 6 months, causing inflation and disrupting import and excise duty calculations, which businesses rely on for business planning. Aware that businesses and investors rely on a stable transactional exchange rate for import and excise duty calculation for at least 2 years to enable effective business planning. Alarmed that the Central Bank of Nigeria experienced a series of exchange rates adjustments for custom duties within 6 months in 24 June 2023, the rate increased from 422 naira 30 kobo per dollar to 589 naira to $1, followed by 770 naira 88 kobo to $1 on July 6, 2023, 783 1.74 kobo to $1 on November 14, 2023, 951.941 to $1 on December 7, 2023, and a double adjustment on February 2nd and 3rd, 2024, reaching 1,356.833 kobo to $1 and 1,413.62 to $1, respectively, illustrating excessive fluctuations and volatility in the current market, raising significant concern about business planning and economic stability. Worried that due to the frequent custom exchange rate hikes, Nigerian importers are shifting towards ports in Tema, Ghana, Lome, Togo, Cotonou, Benin Republic, causing a substantial 65% decrease in cargo importation and businesses' activities at the Nigerian seaports, with daily container examination dropping from approximately 250 to just about 80. Concerned that the current system in Nigeria, which relies on market-based exchange rate for calculating custom duties, causes fluctuation based on market conditions.
Honorable, please approach the acting chief whip before seeing the speaker.
And poses significant predictability and stability challenges for business, thus necessitating alternative solutions for custom duties by considering options like a fixed rate system or a hybrid system combining market-based and fees elements to enhance predictability and stability in the system. Resolve: 1. All the Federal Ministry of Finance and Central Bank of Nigeria to provide adequate notice to stakeholders in the maritime industry and the general public before altering custom exchange rates. This ensures transparency and allows stakeholders to prepare for any changes that may affect their operations. 2. Urge the Central Bank of Nigeria to maintain the system exchange rate for custom duty and excise duty purposes below 1,000 naira to $1, preferably.
Honorable Gaza, you are distracting the speaker. Somebody is reading his motion, please. To encourage patronage in Nigerian ports, to prevent galloping inflation, aiming to balance economic stability with competitiveness in the global market. 3.
further urge the Federal Ministry of Finance to ensure the international best practice of allowing a 90-day grace period for fiscal policy changes to facilitate the completion of ongoing transactions under existing policies. And finally, number 4, mandate the committees of customs and excise, finance, and banking regulation to interface with the Minister of Finance, Central Bank of Nigeria Governor, and Controller General of Nigeria Customs on how fixed exchange rate for custom excise duties will work for the system to boost exports and encourage patronage in the nation's ports. I so move, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues. Thank you.
Seconder, that is my brother that we have.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.